We begin with the breaking news first alert out of Pitt County, where the Boviad solar plant has been evacuated after multiple employees reported feeling dizzy and lightheaded. Now the company says it involves carbon monoxide. Haley Hollinger joins us live from the scene as she tries to find out more information. So Haley, what do we know so far?
Yeah, Courtney, as you can see behind me, around 100 people, these employees are outside the Boviad solar plant after it was evacuated this morning. They've been out here for probably the last hour and a half, if not more. There's also been a very heavy first responder presence here as well. When I arrived at the scene of the plant on Sugg Parkway, there were 3 ambulances on site. I also saw a woman getting care from EMS and watched as she was loaded onto a stretcher and into an ambulance. I haven't seen anyone go back into the building since I got here, and the Pitt County PIO does tell us that there are others that were loaded onto ambulances, but the conditions, the nature of their injuries are unknown at this time. We'll keep you guys updated as we receive more information in Pitt County. Haley Hollinger, WITN News.
All right, thank you, Haley. Now, Boviad Solar says the safety of its employees remain its highest priority. The factory had its grand opening last April.